Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to add your name to lock screen on your Infinix Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here to open my phone settings. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on display and brightness. Scroll down right here until you get to personalization. Click on that. Scroll down right here and make sure you click on lock screen. Go ahead and click on add text on lock screen. Then here you go. You can easily write your name right here or your phone number. Everything depends on exactly what you need to put right here. Once you're done, click on save. By the time you lock your screen, it's going to easily appear on your lock screen, just like what you see right here. Down below from your screen, it's going to appear. So let's find out. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Infinix Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.